Ralph?
Yeah, Ralph.
What does he do?
Wreck it. And wreck it.
He's gonna wreck it?
Yeah.
And then what happened?
That.
Who's that? Sugar Rush?
Yeah, Sugar Rush. And what's that?
Fix-It Felix.
Forgive Felix. What's that?
That's Ralph.
Ralph.
Why don't you go get the robot movie and go tell me about the robot movie?
Whoa.
Go get it.
Dad.
Mm-hmm. What's that about?
What's that?
Let's see. Who are these people over here?
Robots.
Cool.
To wreck it.
Yeah?
Yeah, to wreck it.
What do they do? How do they fight? Like this?
Yeah.
And then they said, hooray, hooray.
Hooray, hooray. There's a hooray, hooray.
Yeah?
I see a picture.